Hi guys. Alright, well, this is going to be a very quick video just to show you how to find Microsoft Word on your computer so that you will be able to type your personal narrative, because that's what we're going to be working on for the next couple of days. And tomorrow I'll be sending you a lesson kind of just giving you some guidelines about what an introduction should have and what your body should have and your concluding sentences or your concluding paragraph when we get to that, okay? But this is just a real quick lesson to kind of teach you how to find Microsoft Word and kind of how to use Microsoft Word to type, okay? Alright, so I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what my computer looks like. Alright, this screen that you see right here is called your desktop, and you probably have a different picture on your desktop, but this is your desktop, and I probably have a lot of different little icons on the desktop. That's all these things than you do. Some of our icons are probably the same, some are different. But this is how you can find Microsoft Word. There's two different ways maybe you can do this. If you go right down here to the little window, you see the window in the corner? If you click it, you might see Microsoft Word right here. But if you don't, this is what you can do to find it. Go down here to this little box where the magnifying glass is, where you search, and just type in the word Word. See, and if you type in Word, oh, it finds it for you and brings it to you. Click on that, double click, and if you give it a second, it's going to open up Microsoft Word. I'm going to make mine bigger. There we go. Microsoft Word, the first thing you should do is just click on a blank document, and it is going to bring up, look, just a piece of paper. And this is what we can type on. Now, to make this piece of paper where we can type, you can change the font that you use. That's like the way that the words look. Or you can change the size of it. You can change the color of the font. I don't care what font you use. This is the box right here where my cursor is, where you can find the font. See, and you can pick any font you want. They all look different. There's lots of different fonts. I don't care which one you pick. You just find one you like. I'm going to pick that one just because it looks good. And then you can pick the size. Let's go with about 14. You can go a little bit bigger if you want, but please don't make your words giant because that makes it too hard to print and read. So just kind of 14 or maybe even 18 would be okay. And I would prefer that you guys, here's where you can do the color. And I would like you to leave it on automatic or even just black, because when I print these, I don't want to waste a lot of my color ink. So please just let's leave it black. And then once you do that, look, I'm just going to type a bunch of gibberish here. But you are ready to type your personal narrative. And you're going to type exactly what you would have said in your personal narrative. But we're actually going to get into the writing the personal narrative tomorrow. This is just a lesson of how to find Word. Alright, I want you to go ahead so that you will be ready to type it tomorrow. We're going to save this. I know we didn't really do anything, but you're going to save it so that you can find it tomorrow. To save it, you're going to go to File, right here in the corner, File, Save As, and then if you'll go down here where it says This PC, click on This PC, and then right here at the top where you see the arrow and it says Documents, I want you to click that. And it's going to bring up this other window. Right here in this part, go up. See where it goes up and down? Click Desktop. And then you're going to type in your name and call it Personal Narrative. Of course, when you write yours, you're not going to put name. You're going to put your actual name. But you're going to put name, Personal Narrative, and then you can push Save. And I'm going to show you. Hold on, it's saving it. There we go. I think it's saved it. Well, it shouldn't take this long usually, but well, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that because I can show you what I was wanting to do. It's doing something weird. Yours probably won't do that, but okay. When you get all the way done, you exit out of everything. You will see that. See, that's my personal narrative right there. Name, personal narrative. You'll see it right here on your desktop. And then tomorrow, when you actually are ready to start typing, you can just click on it and it's going to open it right in to your personal narrative, okay? See? And then you'll be ready tomorrow to start typing, okay? So everybody think they know how to get into Microsoft Word and they can get ready to do their personal narrative tomorrow? And you can play around in Microsoft Word if you want to. Just type a few things, play around with your fonts and your colors if you want to, but make sure that you have one of them saved that says personal narrative with your name on it, just like I showed you, because tomorrow when I ask you to actually start typing it, that's what I want it in. And then when we're ready to turn it into me, I'll show you how you can send it to me and I can see it, okay? All right. Good luck on your personal narrative, guys. Bye. We miss you.